Hey, welcome back. I'm MJ, and as always, thanks for joining us today. Now, a while back, we did a video about every large family's dream store, Costco, selling gold bars. That's right, you heard that correctly, gold bars along with your dollar hot dog and chicken bake. Hey, I know it's hard to believe, but these gold bars were actually selling out, and it looks like the gold mania is back. According to multiple sources, these gold bars are quote unquote flying off the shelves. According to Bloomberg, Costco's gold bars fly off shelves as bullion prices smash records. As reported by Fox Business, the gold rush that started last year at Costco locations across the U.S. is continuing as bars keep selling at a time when bullion prices are soaring. A whopping 77% of stores surveyed by Bloomberg sold out of the product within the first week of October. 77%. So why are people throwing gold bars into their shopping carts next to their Kirkland wine and paper towel 30-pack? Fox and Bloomberg both give the credit to record high gold prices being fueled by recent rate cuts from the Fed. If you watch this channel at all, you're well aware of the many records gold has broken so far in 2024. And if you don't watch this channel, well, hey, what the heck are you doing? But let's just say you don't. Well, now you know. Gold has climbed higher and higher and higher this year, breaking record high after record high after record high. Some of the potential reasons for this record run are economic uncertainty, a contentious and consequential presidential election, the skyrocketing inflation we've seen over the years, the ongoing wars across the globe, central bank demand, and so on. Maybe that's why Costco shoppers are stocking up on gold bars. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. But the real question might be, should you be buying gold from Costco? Well, that's a question for another video. But moving on from gold, let's touch on another popular precious metal, silver. Even though gold has been snatching the headlines this year, silver is always quietly waiting in the background for its time to shine. According to the Jerusalem Post, Russia is set to boost silver reserves in major precious metals strategy shift. They go on to claim that Russia is shifting its precious metals strategy, adding silver to state reserves alongside gold, platinum, and palladium, potentially impacting global markets as central banks reconsider silver's value. So will we see silver follow in gold's footsteps? Well, only time will tell. But as always, let us know what you think in the comments down below. And if you're looking to make a gold or silver purchase yourself, or even if you just want to learn a little more about how precious metals can help you and why thousands of Americans are turning to precious metals to potentially safeguard their retirement savings, just give a simple call to the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco works directly with mints around the world to source gold and silver coins directly from the mints that produce them, ensuring that the gold and silver you buy is 100% authentic. With over 6,000 five-star reviews and over $2.5 billion in precious metals placements, Goldco has built up a reputation as one of the best and most trusted gold companies in the country. Goldco is also offering a free gold and silver kit to help inform you about how gold and silver can help. Simply click on the link below or use the QR code on your screen to get yours today. That's it for today. Don't forget to show us some love with a thumbs up and a click on that subscribe button. I'm MJ, and we'll see you next time.